هذا الدرس مقدم من طرف قناة فوكابلي. Hello and welcome everyone. مرحبا بكم. So today we're talking about the present progressive. اليوم سنتكلم عن زمن المضارع المستمر. إذن, what is the present progressive? The present progressive is a tense. هو زمن من الأزمنة ونستعمله لنتحدث عن أحداث تحدث الآن. So we use the present progressive to talk about actions that are happening now. يأتي present progressive على شكل to be in the present simple plus the base verb plus ing. الآن فلنرى to be كيف يأتي في present simple. To be يأتي على 3 أشكال. I am ويأتي مع ضمير I, we say I am. Is مع ضمائر he, she, it. are مع ضمائر you, we and they. فلنعطي مثال بالفعل to write يكتب في present progressive. I am writing the lesson. You are writing the lesson. He or she is writing the lesson. We or they are writing the lesson. وفي النفي يكون على شكل I'm not writing the lesson. إذا نضيف not. You are not writing the lesson. He or she is not writing the lesson. We or they are not writing the lesson. سوف نعطي بعض الأمثلة. Let's see some examples. مثلا نقول she is watching TV. هذه الفتاة تشاهد التلفاز. He is brushing his teeth. هو يغسل أسنانه. I am cleaning the house. أنا الآن أنظف المنزل. My mother is washing her car. We are playing video games. نحن الآن نلعب الفيديو games. يأتي present progressive على شكل سؤال نقول Am I writing the lesson? Are you writing the lesson? Is he or she writing the lesson? Are we or they writing the lesson? أجب إجابة صحيحة. املأ الفراغ. She, the novel. She is reading the novel. Very good. We, football now. We are playing football now. Very good. I, a burger at this moment. I am eating a burger at this moment. Very good. My father, TV now. My father is watching TV now. They, lunch. They are having lunch. Very good. Excellent. تابعونا لمشاهدة المزيد من فيديوهاتنا. Goodbye.